in spite of so many foreign visits by our external affairs minister and delegation of ministers, India's image in international community is not very good. What, according to you, is the major reason for the same? A. Poor law and order in our country. B. Poverty in our country. C. Too much of corruption in our country. I would repeat my topic. In spite of so many foreign visits by our external affairs ministers and delegation of ministers, India's image in international community is not very good. According to you, what is the major reason for the same? A. Poor law and order. B. Poverty in our country. C. Corruption. Please start.
Gentlemen, in my opinion, corruption is the main reason as it results in both poverty and increased crime rates.
Agree with chest number 30. Corruption is also the reason. It also affects the human mindset and also affects the citizen who are living in their country.
In my point of view, poverty is the reason that the figure of India in the international community is not, because our 60% of the population of India is living in the village area. So we see the intention of the community that's in western India.
The infrastructure is so bad that the foreign investors, the foreign people have a very bad impact.
Well said,
Yes, we have good time, but the other countries and other communities that show the India poverty sector. So we have to improve it and maintain the good eyes on the other countries.
Just number 13, corruption is the main reason for the poor impact for the.
Regarding with the investment of the factory, it is also they are also affecting the corruption. Like if they want to set up their factory, then many other things. There are politicians and there are many other leaders in that area. They are who are corrupt, and it also affects their budget.
In my point of view, we see the innovation index of the world. In the India, rank increased. India at the present at the rank of 139. We see corruption was not shown by the other countries. Corruption is held in the other countries also. We have to see the what people show about our country. They show about poverty and infrastructure delays, and we have to improve on that, not on the corruption.
Well said, but
Whenever there is certain amount of poverty is always
And
there.
as we have heard, the book don't judge a book by its cover, but the reality is just opposite. Most of the people judge the book by its cover only. Nobody intend to look what is inside. So they think what they see, and they see the poor people, the people living in the slums areas.
Well said, but just number 25, but it is important to look at the root of the problem, that is the corruption. Because of corruption, many
30, but the people don't. But the people don't. The foreigners don't. They just come and see and have a very much bad impact.
well said,
And
but
it is
just number
going based on
25, but then also it is our responsibility that we make them aware. And because we are the upcoming generation, it is our responsibility that we deal with this corruption so that we can deal with this poverty. And
It's our responsibility to overcome poverty. It's our responsibility to overcome corruption, but we cannot overlook any of these
So they
problems.
try to
But
give money to
the-
officials and to carry out their work.
I agree with just number 27 that because people are bribing the officials and corruption is the thing, that is why crime rates are increasing, and that is also regarding
Regarding the number 30 crimes, what are the report of the National Election Commission that 25% of the 25% of the leader who are the member of the parliament were in the crime list, and also in the future they were corrupted. As well as it increased in the 2019 Lok Sabha election that there are 40% of the leaders who were corrupted. It was reported by National Election Commission. So these are the things which affect the human interest as well.
In my point of view, corruption is the not main reason. We see the internet platforms like social media that's very active that corruption is the main reason.
And many people don't intend to
poverty in the country.
invest in the
We have
state
to
like
go to
Bihar, and
the
thus
example that Justice Verma.
There is not too good. So we have to focus on the reduce poverty.
Generally, whenever the budget is allocated to the poverty, it means the people who are below the poverty line in the India. Most
The
of it are
countries like
taken up by the higher
Pakistan, Bangladesh
many of the people who are
had
corrupt in the
increased rank in hunger index. So the Western country had shown it the hunger index. We have to improve our country poverty. That's we improve.
Well said, 29, and I think seeing the enlightening the Bihar, many people don't want to invest in the Bihar, seeing the poverty and the seeing lack of infrastructure.
Well,
and
that's
seeing the
number
poverty.
25, but then again, this is why Bihar is important state because the corruption is very high.
But gentlemen, the companies who are investing in Bihar, they also get the cheap labor. Also, they also get the cheap labor.
But in my point of
They
view,
are interested
as
in-
the
they
report
are
from the
interested
Apple company has want to establish a startup in Bihar because of the cheap labor. This is the personality shown by from our country to the other social medias.
Well, then just
Gentlemen, they are getting the cheap labor, so why they are exporting their factories inside our country? But what about the corruption statements everywhere? Because there are many politicians even in the Bihar, when there are many multinational companies come there, they have
From
to
the
demand
data
for
we
their
see, we
budget,
have the
and they are
more labor
demanding
across the board.
many other
We have
sanctions
the
on them.
so,
I
so
agree with
that's
that,
also
but
impact the intention of the other
reason
social
that is resulting in poverty as well as increased crime rates, and that we should deal with this issue first if we want to address the issue of increased crime rates and increase the
From my point of view, crime rate is the result of poverty, not corruption.
Well, September 29 that I agree that poverty is one of the reasons that is contributing to increased crime rate, but the major reason is corruption because the political parties and the people who are in power are being bribed. So that the prisoners are let out without any charges.
Well led by chess number 30. People were corrupted in the India, not the organization were corrupted in the India. More of the sector were normalized very well in our country. So main causes reason is that poverty is poverty has the step to conclude in our country, which is more better than the
We are good.
For
We
our
perform
country.
very well. We see that we recently
we
beat
whole are
Japan.
not corrupted. We whole are not corrupted. Some people are corrupted in our country. Not all of the sectors are corrupted in the India. So
Recently,
we have to focus on the
Very
we have to focus on the poverty line.
Japan,
That type of consequences we have to step out of the people, out of the sectors. Main alliances.
that we have good impact on the community.
So I think so. I have exchanged the chess number 25 because the she will also conclude the poverty line of our country. So we have more focused on the poverty line in our country to improve as soon as in our country.
concern and developed by a government.
Not only Bihar in our country, there are so many states which is very below our poverty line. Gentlemen, there are many tall personalities in India who has corrupted here and resettled in many other countries globally. And they are well famous, like they are examples like Vijay Mallya recently in front of their 14 to right
We see
now.
the data, 50% of the population are below poverty line. We have to improve
It also affects our
We have to
at the global level.
provide a good impact on the international community.
Index and the corruption ranks 93rd in the corruption.
Gentlemen, if we look at the problem again, even if we want to find a solution, even if we want to improve the poverty level in our country,
I
if we
think
want
when
to
we talk
employ
about
schemes, then
development,
we have
we
to go
only
to government
consider what
procedures.
the
If they
people
are corrupt,
condition are
we
there in
cannot
the
find any
world.
schemes or
So,
anything. We
the
cannot.
poverty
We don't say
and
our
the
government
people
corrupt because we are the fourth strongest citizen in the world.
To spend on poverty,
influence
how
of
the
the India
poverty
will increase all over
We are
the
not a
world.
corrupted country.
And I'm not saying that every sector is corrupted, but it is important to know that the few individuals who are doing corruption.
I am saying
That
about
I
the
am
image of India is not good in the eyes of international community because of the poverty. Because they say the hunger index of the world and the India not perform good. Even
I would
below
like to add to the point of case number 29. Despite being an influential nation through the trade rates and population, still we are perceived as a poor nation and we are classified as developing nation.
Gentlemen, whenever the terms India come,
When we talk about the developed nation, we only consider how the people, the common people are living in the country. And if the people will forward, then in no reason and no cause we can say that the state, the country is developed. So I think
the image
I
of
agree
India
with
as
you.
a living standards of a nation eyes of international community. We see the examples of immigration from America.
Well said by just number 29, but it is important to note that the corruption that is being caused by a few individuals, not the whole sector, it is resulting in many issues that further causes poverty and also increased crime rates because
Gentlemen, at the global level, there are certain solutions. There are certain solutions to remove the country who are below the poverty line. But what about the corruption? There is no rule and regulation who control the corrupted people in the many other countries as well as India.
Put in the eyes of international community. We have to give it in the performance of hunger index and other sectors.
अब डिफेंस एग्जाम क्रैक करना हुआ और भी आसान। त्रिशूल डिफेंस एकेडमी लेकर आए हैं बिल्कुल ही एडवांस लर्निंग ऐप। तो आज ही ज्वाइन करें और स्टार्ट करें अपनी ऑनलाइन क्लासेस।